My name is Alex Hughes with the North Pacific Homes Group, and welcome to 817 Rogers Avenue. This 3-bed, 3-bath home sits at 2,600 square feet and has a large open floor plan with 9-foot ceilings. It also has a massive primary bedroom and is wired for speakers throughout. Let's go take a look.
This beautiful home is in the High Quadra neighborhood, a short distance from Swan Lake Nature Sanctuary and many community parks, and only a 10-minute drive to Elk Lake and Beaver Lake. Here you also enjoy proximity to the Broadmead, Royal Oak, and Uptown Shopping Centres. This is a great neighborhood for families with many schools nearby. If you want any more information, please visit our website at northpacifichomes.ca.